Hello everyone, I'm Huimin Su, a PhD student from MIRMI at TUM. I'm working on soft wearable robots, and what I'm wearing right now is a soft wearable glove for hand grasping as well as wrist rotation. This is based on tendon joint mechanism. We have cables around it at the finger and the wrist, then connect with the motor on my back. So in this case, we can try to rotate the motor and driving the cable, pulling our joints to rotate together. So we embedded the bending sensor at the finger as well as the magnet sensor on the wrist. So what we can try to do is to use my left arm following the movement of my right arm. As you can see, when my left arm doing something, it's basically mimic what I'm already done on the right arm. If I grasp my finger, it will do the same. So this study is mainly focusing on the repetition training. We try to do another concept of the mirror therapy, so which means the patients, they can wear in this device and conduct the repetition training at their own house.